This is never a good sign. You and paper and drawing. What are you doing?
Well, you know we're redoing the kitchen, right?
Yes, I do know that.
So obviously this sink can't stay.
Why can't
It's
the
not
sink
period correct. I hate the size. It just, we need something antique in here. There's nothing in here with any character except for our only
The
original.
dishwasher's antique.
Well, how about vintage 20 years?
Okay, so what's your game plan?
Well,
I'm afraid to ask.
you're gonna hate me.
No, I won't hate you. I might dislike you for a little bit. But...
Well, you might want to cry a little bit then.
Okay.
I
Bring
found
it
an
on.
antique sink.
Uh-oh. How much?
$50.
What?
They're gonna throw in an antique faucet as well.
That's right.
For $20.
Okay.
But it's about an hour away. So the drain board would be on this side.
And it looks disgusting
I
with
know.
a backboard on
Which
it.
is the best way to get them, because then you get them cheap, and then you just have to put a little elbow grease on them.
You know what that reminds me of?
What?
When you met me, got me cheap and I was a little rough around the edges.
Don't you think this is worth
I
it?
think
An
it's
hour?
cool. So you're talking a road trip?
Road trip. Let's
Yep,
do this.
Let's do this. All right. So we're loaded up. Moose.
Are we there yet?
Hi, Moose. Moose is going along.
Moose usually
We're loaded
goes.
up. We're ready to rock and roll. Of course, we got to go through the drive-thru and get food. We have our
Taco
priorities.
Bell.
Taco Bell.
We're classy like that.
We got our priorities. Hey, Taco Bell, by the way, if you want to sponsor us, you can.
Hashtag sponsor.
Yes.
Hashtag yum. How now, brown cow?
How now, brown
Unique.
cow.
New York.
It's called the Great Sink Rescue.
Chris has named our excursion.
The Great Sink Rescue. You should click on YouTube and watch the Great Sink Rescue.
We're gonna go save some old
That's cool. It's B-roll, John, B-roll. It's B-roll, badass B-roll.
Where are we at?
5 miles away.
Woo, we're 5 miles away. Okay, so let's recap why this sink is awesome.
Why?
Okay, number one, it's old. Number two, the drain board is on the correct side. It's on the left side, and that's where we want it. The most important thing, number three, big number three, is that the drain hole opening size is large enough to accommodate a garbage disposal. And that's hard to find in an antique sink. I'm hoping once we get there, the sink is just dirty, there's no cracks, because once cast iron cracks through, it's almost impossible to fix.
You tell them, Queen.
Oh, I'm telling them. I'm telling them.
Your destination is on the left.
The destination is on the left. Your destination is on the left. I hear the dogs barking.
Oh, I should come out. I am the animal whisperer.
Can we show them what we got here?
Oh wait,
Back.
hold on, I gotta.
We're back to the burn. Oh my. Look at all these goodies. You gonna spend all day over there, or what's your deal?
I can't get it clipped on.
Oh, who cares about it? Oh,
Oh, check her out. So, I thought this was cast iron.
yeah.
Turns out it's actually steel with a porcelain coating over the top.
Pig a peeing.
Pig's peeing.
Pig a peeing.
Oh, good girl. But I still think it's gonna work really, really great in our kitchen because it still has that shape.
Yep.
And
Drain
it'll
board
still
on the
be
left.
Drain board. It will
Garbage
still
disposal.
accommodate a garbage disposal. I'm
What
really
else?
happy with this, so I'm excited to see how this is gonna clean up.
So we went to pick this, and actually, what did we end up with?
Well, we
let's
ended
show
up
everybody
with,
what else we got.
he just threw these in. He threw all of these things in for free. Check
Those
these out.
faucets are just
They have like a hammered finish.
hammered.
Hammered. But, and it's got the little cold and then hot. And so just for
Cool.
free, just for free.
And this was the actual original
Yeah, so this was the original faucet that went with it. He just said, here, you want this.
soap dish.
And then this little soap dish.
That was kind of cool.
Yeah, it would sit
And then
on
these
top.
lights. Check out these lights.
These might be like the bread and butter of
Yeah.
the pick, because we got all of this lighting for like 20 bucks. 3 of these, and then 3 of these. So These most likely would have been in a kitchen or a bathroom. Probably more likely a bathroom. And then what's really, really cool, what I'm really excited about, this is probably from the 30s, maybe late 20s. But you have these little beaded chains, and it would
hang.
It would hang from the chain.
That's too cool.
From the ceiling. So
that one's kind of a peach color?
So we have a peach.
Well, almost not a peach.
Let me not break that. We have a peach color. We have a white color that he said had been spray painted, so that might need to be cleaned up.
It's got some, and actually this one here has some kind of, got some
yeah,
flowers
that one has
and stuff
some kind
on
of
it.
etching
That
in it.
one there.
This one is a really nice bright pink.
That matches your shirt.
It does kind of match my shirt, but yeah, so it would have been, if you can imagine this hanging with the chains.
That's so cool.
Upside down.
So what's the game plan now?
Game plan now, we need to offload all of this stuff and put the lights in our storage. And then next step is to clean this baby up.
Are you going to show people how to do this?
Yeah, I think this should be part 2. If you want to see how I'm going to attempt to clean this sink up, subscribe and follow for our next episode. Wow, you're really close to my face.
That's all right.
Follow our next episode, and I will attempt to show you how to fix this baby up.
Follow us on YouTube.
YouTube.